CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
That's how we can also define. Now I just hit cancel here. Okay. We'll directly come to this. Then installments. Okay. And, as you can see, this system has done the 12 installments for us. As you can see, starting from 1st of January, 31st of December. Yeah, that is because, instead of today, we have selected 12 installments. Yes. Yes, from bit and to date, we can do both. Also, please use installment thing, number of installment. But if you come here and you sit, from today, also from the today, we can define a date here. I'll show you, and then again it will do the same, 12 installments. Now, once that done, it's some material and it's asking to confirm. Yes. So it's done. Okay. Now from this installment line. Suppose you miss this page? Okay. No need to worry. You just go back to your contract. So we just go back to our contract. So our contract detail should be here. Won't see. So this is our billing schedule. Okay. And we'll just go back to where is that line. This is our customer contract line. You just go back to your contract. You just go back to your schedule. Okay. 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 And you just turn this. So now you see from the installment, we are not seeing one option here. The line level you must be seeing. You are seeing one thing here. I'll just show you what it is, pending milestone, because we added the milestone feature here. Only when the milestone will complete it you'd be able to send the noise, isn't it? Like when the builder asks you for the payment when they do something for you, that okay. First milestone is achieved. Now can you release the payment for us? So, as you can see, it says pending milestone. What it means that we have to go to this milestone and have to put the completion date. So we'll go to date milestone. We'll add it. We'll say it's a completed one, completed on, let's say, 4th only. Estimated completion date also, we'll just put 4th only. We'll hit OK. Now let's see if it affects anything within our billing schedule. So we'll just go back to our billing schedule here. If I want, I can remove this. Now you see, installments are available to be built. Earlier, it was giving a message waiting for milestone to be completed. So we'll just go to billing installment and we'll say, create customer. We'll hit OK here. And we just wait for 30 seconds, or will the seat refresh? We'll just wait for 10 seconds here. Let me see. Thank you. No, it would be here any minute. Taking some time. No. In one day. Okay. Yeah, finally it's here. So let's see the customer voice. So the amount you can see is 2000 here. It has a link to the billing schedule and billing installment also. If we go to the line level, it is linked to the customer contact also. Now we'll just pay this invoice. We'll just say record customer when we have received the payment of this. Okay, so we'll just go, and I think that as a Serato would have access to record the customer payment. Yeah, let's start with noise. We'll just see the payment part tomorrow, but right now, let us go back to this custom contract. Okay, now, if you see, the total contract is 24,000 here. Line details. It's this what we have here. So we'll just go to the customer contract actually. This is contract line. We'll go to the contract here. Now, if you see in billed amount, it's 0 right now. $24,000 is the contract amount because we just created the invoice. When we pay that invoice, when we receive the amount, this will become $2,000. That billed amount is $2,000 so far.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.